Unraveling Google It, your guide to modern English commands. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that's become part of the modern lexicon, Google It. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting your journey, understanding these contemporary phrases is key to sounding like a native. So, let's explore what Google It means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Google It is a phrase that perfectly encapsulates the digital age. Born from the dominance of the search engine Google, this phrase has become a universal command that means, search for it on the internet using the Google search engine. But it's more than just a technical instruction. It's a cultural phenomenon, symbolizing the way we access information today. When someone says, Google it, they are suggesting that you look up the information online rather than asking others or waiting for an answer. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from seeking factual information, learning how to do something, or finding a service or product. It implies that the information is readily available and that the task of finding it is easy and quick, thanks to search engines like Google. Let's put Google It into context with some examples. If someone asks, "What's the capital of France?" and you're expected to know this common knowledge, a friend might playfully say, Google it. During a debate, if a fact is in question, a participant may suggest, let's Google it, to find immediate evidence to support their argument. When planning a trip and trying to find the best hotels, one might say, I'm not sure which hotel to pick, and a friend could advise, Google it to see reviews and prices. While Google it can be a helpful suggestion, it's also important to use it politely. It shouldn't be used to dismiss someone's question or seem impatient. It's best used among peers or in informal situations. In professional or formal settings, offering to look up the information together or providing direct assistance is more appropriate. In the vast sea of English expressions, Google It stands out as a marker of the digital era. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently. The internet has transformed how we find information, and language evolves to reflect that. Keep learning and don't hesitate to Google any new phrases you encounter. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy searching!